Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer using a USB cable. First, make sure your printer is plugged into a power outlet and turned on. Also, confirm that you have paper loaded into the paper tray. Next, identify the USB port on your printer, which is often a square-shaped Type B port, and the rectangular Type A port on your computer. Have your printer's USB cable ready for connection. Now let's connect the cable. Take the square-shaped end of your USB cable and firmly insert it into the corresponding port on your printer. Then, take the rectangular end of the cable and plug it into an open USB port on your computer. Once connected, your computer should typically detect the new hardware within a few seconds. After connecting, your operating system will often automatically install the necessary printer drivers. If not, you might need to use the installation CD that came with your printer. Alternatively, visit the printer manufacturer's official website to download the latest drivers. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a successful installation, which usually takes only a few minutes. To confirm your printer is ready, open your computer's printer settings and print a test page. This simple step verifies the connection and driver installation. If the test page prints successfully, you are all set. If not, double-check that both ends of the USB cable are securely connected and try restarting both your computer and printer. Most minor issues are resolved this way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.